Welcome to Fortis Motor Group. This is our 2022 Isuzu D-Max automatic 4x4. Here at Fortis Motor Group, we offer in-house finance with over 39 different lenders, as well as extended warranties available on used vehicles. As you can see, this particular vehicle has been dressed up with the monster alloy wheels, Maxxis RZRs, as well as a full rear setup that we'll have a look at shortly. This vehicle is finished in a lovely pearl white. You see the condition of the vehicle is fantastic. There are no major imperfections anywhere, and the panels are incredibly straight. This particular vehicle travelled just over 75,000 kilometres, I believe about 77,000 Ks on this vehicle. Walking around, as you can see, it is a dual cab model. It has the chrome door handles as well as the push to open lock on the side there, and coming back to this full triple axle tray. So as you can see, it is a full box setup. It has the top ladder racks as well. It is a key lockable box. It's got the triple drawers here and the one side of it. It's got the underbody storage here as well as the rear pull-out tray, and then the rear door at the back here as well. As you can see, the top of the vehicle has a ladder slider as well, a ladder roller there to get things on and off the roof nice and easy. This particular vehicle does have the tow pack already installed, ready to go. Moving around to the right hand side of the vehicle, you can see it's set up with storage compartments and the rear underbody compartment there too. So we'll shut all this up and have a better look at what it looks like. As you can see there, it's quite the box setup. Looks fantastic with the updated LEDs on the back there as well. I believe this also has some water storage tucked in just in the back there. Moving forward to the inside of the interior, it gets Isuzu's modern interior with leather throughout. This does also have electronically adjusting seats. This particular vehicle comes with many safety features, including the autonomous emergency braking and the adaptive cruise control. You have a large center screen with all the adjustable buttons here that are tactile. You have the adaptive 4x4 down the bottom in here. And this vehicle also has the automatic lights for convenience too. The interior also sports the heated seats in the front and has the rear diff lock. Moving to the back of the vehicle in the rear cabin, you can see it doesn't seem to look like anyone spent a lot of time back here. The leather is absolutely perfect condition, and there's plenty of room back here. I believe this vehicle also has ISOFIX. So if you're looking for a new vehicle, consider Fortis Motor Group, conveniently located in the southeast of Melbourne at 14 Edgecombe Court, Moorabbin. As said previously, we offer in-house finance with over 39 different lenders and have extended warranties available on our used vehicles with our partner Integrity Warranty. Visit us at 14 Edgecombe Court, Moorabbin.